Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to share with you today from One Day Saving. I have an off the canvas item. I'm not actually sure if this exact one is still available, but I will try and link to them in general if not. And I have a couple of diamond paintings. But I'll show you these in case if they don't have them you may see them elsewhere. But these are gorgeous little jewellery boxes that you can then add diamonds to. So you've got space for some rings. These dividers do come out, so if you do need to take them out to store more you can, or you can pop them in. They're quite a snug fit, but you can pop them in to divide up your jewellery. You've also got space for rings. You've also got space there to hold a necklace, and then the excess of the chain can be held in this little pocket with other bits as well. Nice little travel one, and this one has some gorgeous flowers on the front that you then diamond paint. So you do get a toolkit, and I want to see the pretty diamonds because there's a lot of different shape ones in this one. We don't have any standard rhinestones. We do have some that are diamond size, but they are actually AB diamonds, or pearlized coated, smooth coated diamonds rather than faceted, in a blue. But then get your your steady hands ready. We have lots of petals for the flowers. So we have purple, red, yellow, silver. Then we have some slightly larger ones in pink. We have some in sort of a silver iridescent. We have more pink, and then we have these gorgeous little flowers in yellow that all make up all the little flowers on the jewellery box. So you can make yourself a little takeaway carry-on case. So when I clicked on the link before doing this video, this one didn't come up, but it may have just been renamed. So check out the links down below. I'll be sure to find either other ones or find where this one went to and pop those. Then we have a 30 by 40 painting. So this is what I class as one of my small paintings, and we have this gorgeous blue flower with wooden background. This will make a gorgeous piece of decor or art in a room. It has 20 different colours, lots of blues and purples, little bits of 3865. The actual diamond painting area is 35 by 25. Symbols all look really nice and clear. Quite a few different symbols to help make up the wood, but then we do have little pockets of, you know, more solid work, but I wouldn't even call that a big pocket. Then even the blue flowers have loads of different tones in there to get the right shading. And of course you've got the reflection underneath. You do get a standard toolkit. And then let's have a quick look at the colours. Of course it's grey, blue, hint of purple. There might be a pale greeny blue in here as well. But there we have quite a few different shades of grey and a little bit of more of a beigey colour to get the wood. There's some of the purples, blues, a little bit more grey. A few more different shades of blue, including that brighter blue. Green, that I thought that was a greeny blue, but it's actually not that greeny blue. Quite a few more dark blues, greys, bluey greys, more purple, and that little bit of white, which is mainly in there, but there's scatterings elsewhere as well, just to bring out those lighter colours. I did have where this was folded. Oh, there we go, I found it again. I did have where it was all folded and then I lost it. It's like, oh no. It does come in a round painting, this one. And of course, I will pop the link down below. And then last, but by no means least, this is what I call a bigger painting. It's not the biggest, but it's big. It's a 50 by 50. Definitely has more colour in this one. It has 27 colours, so a few more colour styles as well. But it is this gorgeous bouquet of flowers. Let's get it to lie flat. It is poured glue, so it will lie flat eventually. Just a little bit of something on it, and that will lie itself. It'll settle itself right down, or it will lay flatter as you put the diamonds on. But the actual diamond painting area is 42 centimetres by 41 centimetres. So a bit shorter because of the border, but I still think you can see that image. That is stunning. We've got a little bit of sort of block work in this main flower, but then we very much have confetti to help make up the rest. The diamonds do come in bags, which is great because we can look at all the beautiful array of pastel, more pastel-y than anything else, though they're not all pastel, but more pastel colours that will make up this gorgeous vase of flowers, which again would make a stunning piece of art in pretty much any room. It'll definitely catch your eye. Flowers that don't wilt is never a bad thing. They both have really nice and clear symbols. Can't see any problem with the symbols at all. This one does use a capital E as well as a lowercase e, but they're pretty much different anyway. It's not like they're very similar to each other. And then of course we have the little jewellery box. So I will pop links to, of course, everything, or close enough as I can, in the description down below. So go and have a look, see if I managed to find the link for this or not. Or feel free to, of course, go and have a browse and see if something else takes your fancy. Let me know if you find a nice bargain. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.